This old photograph is about to come alive. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. The video you just watched started with nothing more than an old photograph, but this AI transformed it into a cinematic music video. And honestly, seeing the final result was surprisingly emotional today. I'm going to show you how you can turn a single photo and a song into a complete cinematic story. We're going to explore FlyU AI is an emotional content creation platform that transforms your photos and music into expressive, story-driven music videos. If you have old memories, family photos, or special relationship moments, you can turn them into cinematic videos with just a few clicks. So let's get started. First, I'll open Chrome and search for FlyU AI. You can also visit the website directly using the link in my description. As soon as the website opens, you'll see the home page where you can explore trending AI music videos, different generation modes, and multiple AI video models. Right in the center, you'll find the FlyU AI Music Video Generator Hero section, where you can click on Start for Free and begin creating your own AI music video. Below that, you'll see the Trending AI Music Videos section, which showcases popular community creations and different visual styles generated on the platform. As we scroll down, we can see the Generation Modes section. Here, FlyU offers two main modes, Light Mode and Pro Mode. FlyU supports multiple AI engines, including Seedance 2.0, Kling 3, Veo 3, Sora 2, Happy Horse, and Gemini Omni. This means you can access different AI models from one platform without switching between tools. Now, I'll click on the Start for Free button, which opens the login pop-up. You can easily sign in using your Google account. Once the login process is complete, you'll enter the FlyU dashboard, where you can start creating your first AI music video. As soon as you click Start for Free, the AI music video dashboard opens. On the left side. You'll find different AI tools, including AI MV, AI Video, AI Music, and AI Image. Since we're creating a music video, we'll stay inside the AI MV section. By default, we're in light mode, which is perfect for creating quick 10 to 15-second music videos. Here, you'll also find a prompt box where you can describe your idea. You also get two additional modes. Story and Lip Sync Story mode automatically analyzes your photos and music to create a cinematic storyline. It's perfect for memories, relationships, and emotional videos. If you'd like your character to sing along with the music and perform realistic lip movements, you can choose Lip Sync mode. However, since we're creating an emotional cinematic story, I'll switch to Pro mode on the right side. You'll also find a few additional sections. The Inspirations section lets you explore community creations and sample videos, which is a great source of ideas. The My Videos section stores all of your generated videos in one place. FlyU also runs special events and challenges from time to time. Right now, there's a World Cup challenge where creators can participate and win rewards. Now let's return to Pro mode. The first step is uploading our music. As soon as I click Upload Music, FlyU gives me several options. You can use the platform's existing music library from the Explore tab. You can access your own uploaded tracks from My Files, or you can use I generated music from the AI Created tab. If you don't already have a song, FlyU even allows you to create your own soundtrack directly with AI. You can generate a complete song using lyrics or create instrumental music. Since we're creating a nostalgic vintage love story, I'm going to choose the instrumental option. I'll generate an emotional cinematic instrumental track that perfectly matches the mood of our vintage couple photograph. Soft piano, strings, and a nostalgic melody will make this story feel even more emotional. And within a few seconds, FlyU has generated a completely original cinematic soundtrack based on my prompt. Now that our soundtrack is ready, I'll click on Create MV Pro, because this mode gives us cinematic controls, multiple AI models, and higher quality storytelling. FlyU also offers several duration options. You can generate anything from a 15-second clip to a full 4-minute music video. For this demonstration, I'm selecting a 36-second duration so we can create a complete cinematic story. Next, we'll select our character. You can upload an old photo, a family picture, an AI-generated character, or even a vintage image. I'm using a classic black and white photo of a couple to create a nostalgic love story. Now it's time to describe the visual style of our music video. The more detailed your prompt is, the more cinematic and creative your final output will be. I'm creating an emotional vintage love story with an old film aesthetic, romantic moments, and a nostalgic atmosphere. The next step is customizing the video generation settings. I'll keep the video mode set to story, which automatically builds a cinematic storyline based on the mood of the song. For the video model, I'm choosing Cadence 2.0 because it's excellent for smooth camera movement, better storytelling, and high-quality cinematic scenes. You can also customize the resolution and frame settings according to your needs. I'll keep the standard settings for a balanced and faster generation process. Now everything is ready, so let's click Generate Video. As soon as we click Generate Video, FlyU begins processing the entire AI pipeline in the background. You can monitor the generation progress in real time. First, the platform analyzes the uploaded assets and music. Then, the AI creates a storyboard, generates individual scenes, and finally renders the complete music video. You can even close this window if you'd like, because FlyU will continue rendering automatically in the background. The platform also mentions that you can track the progress anytime from the My Videos section. This is extremely convenient because you can continue working on other projects while your video is being rendered, and that's it. Our AI-generated music video has been successfully rendered. Now we simply click the Done button, and the final video becomes available inside the My Videos section. And here is our final AI-generated music video. Once rendering is complete, the video is automatically saved in My Videos. Clicking on the video opens a dedicated preview page on the left side. You can instantly play and watch your final cinematic music video. Let's check out the result. And honestly, the output is really impressive. The cinematic scenes, emotional storytelling, and smooth transitions turned out even better than I expected. One bonus feature that I found really interesting is FlyU's World Cup AI Challenge. You can submit your AI-generated music videos and earn free credits. Simply create a World Cup-themed video, post it on social media, submit it here, and you'll have a chance to win up to 1,000 free credits. If you're a regular creator, those extra credits can be incredibly useful. If you want to turn your memories into cinematic AI videos, check out my link in the description. You can try the platform for free, and by using my link, you may also get access to a special subscription discount. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.